Hi family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. In today's video, I'm trying coffee challenge on my hair for straight 14 days to see if coffee can grow my hair in 14 days. So if you're interested, keep watching and watch the video to the end. Don't skip any part of the video so that you not miss the important information I will give you out in this video. Please, my voice, I'm having cold, I'm not too strong, okay? Just try to pay attention. I hope that you can hear me. Sorry for that. So this is the type of coffee I have. Feel free to make use of any type of coffee that you have. These 2 sachets of this coffee is equivalent to 2 tablespoons of a coffee. So I'm making a little bar so that I can use it 3 to 4 days so that I will make a fresh batch. 3 to 4 days I will make a fresh batch. So I'm pouring it in my jar. Make sure that whatever you are using is super clean, okay? So after pouring it in, I will pour in my hot water. Make sure that your hot water is very hot. So after pouring the hot water, I will cover it for 5 to 6 hours to infuse very well. In pouring of your water, don't pour the water excess so that the coffee will be potent, okay? If you pour excess water, the coffee will not be potent. So pour a little, depend on the amount of the coffee you are using. So as you can see, this is a measurement of 2 tablespoons of water that I pour in. So after then, I will keep it away for that 5 to 6 hours. So let's take the measurement. I'm taking the measurement of my hair before I will embarking on this journey. So I will measure this the other side of my hair. I will take the measurements. After taking the measurements, I will go and put my hair in cornrows for easy application. So this is the measurement of this side of my hair. See where it is, the other side of my hair. This is the measurement in the day 1. Okay, after then I will take the measurement on my back of my head, my two sides of my nipple. So this is where the day 1 was. So this is the other side of my nipple. This is where the day 1 was. After taking the measurement, like as I said, I will go and put my hair in cornrows for easy manipulation, okay? So this is how my hair was in day 1. I have put it in cornrows for easy manipulation. I advise you, if you want to be back in the challenge, make sure that you put your hair in protective style like braiding or mini twins or cornrow, but don't attach it with any extension, okay? So this day 1, the process was I will apply the coffee juice on my hair very well. After applying it, I massage my hair. I'll apply oil on my hair. So after I apply the oil, I'll cover it up for 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Let me repeat it. In day 1, this is how the journey was. I escaped some days. In day 1, apply the juice on your hair, the coffee on your hair, apply it very well on your hair, massage your hair very well. After massaging your hair, apply oil, massage it, and cover your hair for 20 minutes to 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and remove the shower cap, let it air dry. This is how I do the process from the beginning of the challenge to this day 14. As you can see, we are in day 10 now. I skip some days so that this video will not be too long, so it's just a repeating process. Okay, there is nothing change. So this is the final day 14. See how my hair look like. Okay, we'll find out whether is it growth or just ordinary fleas, or just ordinary lose out or hair or whatever. We'll find out. So in this day 14, I will not apply oil on my hair. I'll just apply only the coffee on my hair. I'll cover it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, I'll leave it for air dry, and I will back and take the hair down. So the hair have dried a little bit. Now I'm taking the hair down. So in this coffee challenge, towards the end of the video, I will telling you what I find out, what I like and what I do not like, so that you not make a mistake on you doing your own challenge. Okay, as you can see my hair is very dirty. It's so dirty. Okay, if you are new in this channel, if today is your first time stopping by in this channel, thank you for stopping by. Okay, please don't make it your last. Join the family by subscribing, turn up your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. In this channel is all about how to grow your natural hair without breaking the bank with your home remedies. Okay, you love it here. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. You guys are so amazing. Thank you for your love and for your support, for always come back to watch my videos. Please don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Okay, wow, my hair feels so amazing. My hair feels so amazing. So today is the final review of this challenge. Sorry for my voice, please, I have cold. Okay, please ignore my voice, just try to pay attention. I hope you can hear me out, please. So today is the final day of the coffee challenge for 14 good days, for 14 days. So see, I will tell you what I find out in this coffee challenge, what I like and what I do not like. Number one, coffee leave residues on your hair. Like the day I was losing my hair, all over my body was so messed up, true, because of the coffee residue. It left residues on our hair. Okay, number two, coffee can dry your hair. So please, whenever you are doing the challenge, make sure that you are moisturizing your hair. Okay, so day one I moisturize my hair, day two I not moisturize my hair, day three I not moisturize my hair, so I start feeling dryness on my hair. So I need to moisturize the hair so that my hair will not get dry. You know that when our hair is dry, it leads to breakage. So if you are doing the challenge, please moisturize your hair whenever you're applying it, either your leave-in condition or your oil. Make sure that you moisturize your hair. Okay, do you know what happened? Never have did their thing again. They have taken lights. So please, if you hear any noise in background, please, I'm sorry, it's my neighbors. Okay, I'm sorry for that. So the next thing I don't like as I said before, is two things I don't like in the challenge. Raise the coffee leaf residues on your hair. Second, dry your hair. So if you are doing the challenge, make sure that you are moisturizing your hair every day. Okay, so things that I like, coffee really make my hair feel so soft. See my hair feel so soft, and it add up in darken my hair. My hair gets more darker, and also it make my hair feel so soft. I did not experience any dry scalp or dandruff. There's no dandruff on my hair. My hair is free of dandruff. My hair did not itch me. I did not experience itching on my hair. So that things that are good in this coffee challenge. So let's do the measurements to know whether my hair really grow or not. The moment of the truth. Let's see whether whether it can grow hair in 14 days. So I will start from here. You see it. I will leave in the measurements of the day 1. So today is day 14, the final day. Was here. The day 1 was here. So let's see. I was so surprised at the result I got. I did not expect it. Honestly, I did not expect to get this kind of result in applying coffee on my hair for straight 14 days. Can give me these results. Guys, this result is mind-blowing. I do not expect it to work like that. I thought that what make it more effective because of I cover my hair. I see some people that did this coffee challenge, they did not cover their hair. So I thought that is that covering my hair make this growth more massive and also making your coffee not too watery, make it to be potent. It will honestly, if you follow up the full step I follow in this challenge, you will get exactly result I got. I mean it when I said it. This is real deal, guys. I will know that I would like you to try the challenge. Let me know whether you're going to try the challenge or not. Yes, coffee is effective. As you can see, coffee is effective in growing your hair in 14 days. They say coffee promotes hair growth and reduce hair loss. Yes, and it stimulates hair growth. Okay, you see it. So whatever they say the coffee did to grow your hair, because of the caffeine in coffee promotes blood flow to your follicles. Using coffee can strengthen hair and speeding up hair growth. Yes, I can testify to that. As you can see, you all can see that is real. Coffee can grow your hair in 14 days. Okay, so let me know whether you're going to try the challenge. But try the challenge, please don't make too much of it. Okay, just try the challenge. If you are doing the challenge, don't say too much of everything is bad. Okay, like I'll be trying it every 3 months, once in 3 months. Maybe that 3 months I'll do it in, like now as I did it, and I'll give gap next 3 months again. I will try it again 2 weeks again to get more boost hair growth. So whenever you're trying it, like here now, I was doing mistake in measurement, but finally you see the correct measurement. It's not easy to use to doing these measurements. It's not easy, it's difficult. I make a lot of mistake. So please just keep watching, you see the real result fine now. Okay, so try this coffee. Like as I said, I will have tried it now. My next time now is in 3 months time. So don't try it consistent. It may cause harm on your hair in future. I don't know what it may cause on your hair, but I advise you try it once in 3 months or once in 2 months. Okay, it will help your hair grow massive. Or any of your products, try to incorporate coffee. Coffee is the D of both reducing hair fall and also speeding up hair growth and also making your hair to be more strong. Okay, and also it make our hair get more darker. Yes. Okay, so let me know, please. If you have not give this girl a thumbs up, please give this girl a thumbs up. Even though I'm not feeling fine, I'm still continue filming this video so that you guys, you will also have the courage to grow your hair without breaking the bank. So please give this girl a thumbs up so that YouTube can push this video to more people that are searching similar content like this. Okay, please, if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, turn up your post notification bell so that you'll be the first to notify whenever I upload a new video. Okay, my returning subscribers, please, if you have not turned up your post notification bell, bell. Please try and do so that to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can see the growth I got. The growth is massive, guys. When I say massive, I did not even, honestly speaking, I did not expect it this way. I did not expect it this way. And those another thing that make my hair grow like this, I massage my hair very well. Massaging help to promote hair growth. When I mean it, consistent massaging your hair. I would like to, when I do the challenge, see, I'm doing my happy dance because I'm very, very happy in the challenge I did. So massage your hair, okay? So this is where I'll be closing today's video. I hope that this video is helpful to you. Let me know in comment section whether you're going to try it or not, okay? Please don't forget to give this girl a thumbs up, like the video, share the video, okay? See you in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.